Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Wow.
Air conditioning.
Whoa, that's cool. A portable AC system.
It has a thermal.
Genius.
So it runs through it.
Yeah.
Blows out cold air.
Oh, wow. So
I'll be
you
able
use
to-
that for your cabin or for your amps?
Right now, I just have it in the cabin. I'm testing it right now. I just got it last week. But then I have like a
How does it control moisture if you did it on the amps?
no moisture because
Wow.
it's going through a heat exchange.
Okay, got it.
Yep. So it just goes through there. There's a water pump down there that cycles it. And it
That's
blows out.
cool. Yeah, that's going to be a new thing for
And then
people.
I have
Yeah.
a Y connector, so if the amps do get hot now,
Yeah.
I can put one back here and cool amps.
There you go. Wow.
I added all the fans.
That looks good.
Fannies.
Yeah. Nice. All right. I feel it. It's crazy. So what's your name here? What's in here?
Peter.
Peter.
I have 415 Phi SP4 Pluses. They're on two B2 audio Ospreys, AKs. Then a bunch of PRB mids and highs.
Nice. And what is your box tuned to on this?
It is at 33.
33, okay. Wow.
I had a buddy change it a little bit. He shrunk it a tiny bit, just from the bottom. Put in another board down there,
Yeah.
just to play around.
Just a little bit of reduced port area.
Yeah.
What's your SPL score on it now?
Well, with the windshield is now given, you'll see.
Yes.
The last one was 158.9 at 16,600 watts.
Man, that 60's coming. You've already broken it before, I'm sure.
Yeah. If I can, I'll have to reseal. I want to reseal the windshield and see what it does.
Otherwise, it'll just pop. Yeah. Yep.
Baby, now you have it. Now you got the baddest. Show me you could handle this. Feel me like a ladder. We going all night with you on it. We be going all night with you on it. You ain't never had. Freeze on the back with the back. You ain't never had. Sailing on the G with the sailor on the back.
Really good bandwidth for a flat wall too. Yeah, it's nice. And definitely this right here, it feels like it might crack if you hit a certain point. Yeah, definitely, man. Wow. Awesome job. Thank you very much. Your name?
Peter.
Peter. Jacob. Thank you, Peter, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for the demo.
No problem. Ooh.